Hi everyone, welcome back again. So in this video, we are going to talk about the order by keyword in SQL. So the order by keyword in SQL is used to sort the result in ascending or descending order. So let's say you have a table and in which there is their name and their salary. Okay, and let's say name is XYZABC and their salary is 1000, 1500, 2000, 3000, 5000, and 2200. Okay, so this is the names and salary of all the employee. So the order by keyword is used to sort the result based on any column. So sometimes you want to sort the result on the basis of salary, sometimes you want to sort the result on the basis of name, and also the order by keyword can be used to sort the result on the basis of both name and salary column. That means it can be used on either a single column or on multiple columns. So let's see these things practically. Okay, so sort by salary in ascending order. So here is our table in which ID, first name, last name, salary, and date of birth. So we have to sort the result of this table in descending order on the basis of salary. Okay, so for this we will write select star from, then we will give the table name employee, and after that we will provide order by keyword, and on which column we have to sort. So we have to sort on the basis of salary. So if we only do this, this will sort the result in ascending order. So let's run this query. So you can see that all the result set is sorted on the basis of salary but in ascending order. 7500 comes first, 8500 after that, and so on. So to sort the result in descending order, we have to pass the keyword descend, DESS. So this will sort the result in descending order. And if we fire this query, then you can see that our output is sorted on the basis of salary in descending order. So now we will see how to use order by on multiple columns. So syntax to use order by on multiple columns is select a star from table name. After that, you will give order by keyword, and then on which column you have to sort the result, you will provide that column name, and you according to which you have to sort on ascending or descending order, you will provide the keyword ASC for ascending and DESC for descending, and then second column name and ascending or descending. Okay, so let's say you have this table in which name and salary is defined, and you have to sort this table on the basis of name and salary both. So you want to sort the result on the basis of name in ascending order but in salary in descending order. So your output will be like, first your name column will be sorted in ascending order. So first it will come A, then there are two A, then two A's, two B's, and two C's, two B's and two C's. Okay, then after that, which one has the maximum salary, because we are doing sorting on the salary column in descending order. So which A has the maximum salary? So this A has the maximum salary, so here it will come 2000. After that 1800. After that, which B has the maximum salary? Here 2500 and here 2000. So 2500 and 2000. Okay, and which C has the maximum salary? Here 28. The C which has the salary of 2800 is the maximum, so here 2800 and after that 1900. Okay, so let's see this question practically. So here is the question: sort by first name in alphabetical order. So here we have to do sorting in alphabetical order according to first name and according to salary in descending order. So if we run this query, select a star from employee, employee is our table name, and after that order by, then we will give the first name, and we have to sort the first name in ascending order or alphabetical order and salary in descending order. So if we run this query, you can see that first it is sorted on the basis of alphabetical order, and after that it is doing sorting on the basis of salary in descending order. Okay, hope you have understood how to use order by keyword on single column and also on multiple columns. So hope you have liked this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.